What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T2, T2 the Great, Triple OG. Yeah, you know me. How's everybody doing? Check it out. I'm out here with my boy Tone, yo, and the Fly 10. And the Fly 10, as you guys know. Here we go again, another problem. I just now came out the building, and Tone, try to turn that key for me. I try to stick the key into the ignition, and the ignition won't turn. I don't know if somebody tried to steal a bike, tamper it, but the steering wheel is locked and we can't get it unlocked. So I got my boy Tone here. Tone gonna snap the neck on the Fly 10 and we're gonna take it on over the Fly e-bike. You know what I'm saying? Tone, you ready? Hold on 1 second, Tone. You can pull it off the wall. Bring that shit off the kickstand. We're gonna snap the neck on that joint. Just break it. Break the neck. That's my Fly 10. Yeah, so, I hate that. I can't even do that to my baby. Don't break it. No.
It's straight.
It's straight?
You can ride it straight for now.
Okay, cool.
See?
As long as we can push it straight. I'm telling you the man, you didn't even break it. Okay, guys, so we rolling this off the Fly e-bike to get the lock fixed, the neck or whatever it is. You guys stick around. It's your boy T2. Yeah, man, there's always something with the Fly 10. I don't care how many problems this bike give me. I love this bike, yo. This bike is, huh?
How long?
I had this one maybe, how long did I have this bike? Maybe about a year and some change. I had the black one before that. Yeah. And you know, I got another red one after it. Damn, Tone, you didn't snap the neck?
No, boy, it was working for it.
Tone, you the man. Like I said, these guys down at Fly e-bike, man, they awesome, man. That's Tone, everybody, you know what I'm saying? That's the Fly e-bike king. Check it out, y'all. Y'all see this live the ride in the street. Y'all shout them out, you know what I'm saying? Real good dudes, you know what I'm saying? Those are Fly e-bike riders. Man, Tone has really helped me out, you know what I'm saying? And guys, thanks a lot, y'all. We're approaching on 1,000 subscribers too. I want to do something nice for you guys. I want to give away a bike or something, but YouTube telling me I can't give a bike away not unless it's under $600. And most of the bikes that we deal with, y'all basically know it's over $600, so I just got to find out a way to give out these bikes on YouTube. If you guys got any ideas, let me know. And also, well, not no contest, but I definitely want to give a bike away. Like I said, we're approaching 1,000 subscribers. I think we had 983 subscribers. So leave me a comment down below. How should I give away these bikes and what kind of bikes are you interested in? Don't go crazy on me, guys, and look at anything $1,500, $2,000 bikes. Like I said, YouTube don't want me to give away nothing more than $600. If I give away a bike over $600, they want you guys to file taxes on the bikes and all type paperwork, and nobody really wants to get into that. Like I said, we all new to YouTube, and I want to do something nice for you guys. So let me know, how can we get this done? So, and that, as you guys can see, the wheel turns left, but not right. Turns left. Sorry, bad angle. It turns left, but not right. Left, but not right. So, we headed on over to Fly e-bike. See what these guys can do for us again. Okay, guys, so it's late in the evening. We made it to Fly e-bike, you know. That's what it is. That's just what it is. I think they're gonna have to change this whole key ignition. I don't know if somebody tried to steal the bike just now. I don't see any damage, but when I stuck the key in, it stopped halfway. I wiggled it, then I pushed it and it doesn't move. So, guess we get a new key ignition installed in here, and that's what it is. Yeah, lots of people. Lots of people out here today. Oh boy. See if we can try to get some kind of service going on. This guy's definitely busy up in here. Okay. Tom want me to bring this thing out, I don't know why. Okay, stick around guys, we're gonna be here a minute. Okay guys, here we go. I don't know what I'm looking at, but check this out, y'all. I don't know what this little scooter is, you know, but It's by a new name brand called OK. I'm seeing this pop up on my timeline a lot now. It's a new bike. I can't say it's a new bike company, but here you go. Oh, yeah, Tom gave me this thing to check out. I don't know what it is. I know it got 6-inch wheels, and I know it's Bluetooth. He tapped something here and it turned right on. Remote with NFC functions. Touch the logo surface of the key to turn on the meter, or quick unlock button. It's some kind of Bluetooth device. Pause this function button about 3 seconds. I don't know, when I first was looking at it, it was looking ugly. It looked like a little boat, like a little tub, but I guess it's kind of cool. It's different. It's different. I don't know how you guys feel about it, you know. I don't know what kind of motor this is. First of all, what is this? I know those not foot pegs. And this is a little 6-inch wheel. I don't know what size that motor is. Let's get all up in it. What is this, 36 volts? I don't know. What you guys think? I mean, it's a nice little street cruiser. It's nice, it's different. I guess it's for like the older guys, the seniors, the elders. It's really nice. They could probably go about like 15 miles per hour, not too sure. Yeah. Nice reflectors on the side, that's good. That's a good safety feature. You got a little hook here to carry bags. It's a twist throttle. These are mechanical brakes. The bell. The grips are really nice, the bars. That's the power button. It's one button on this whole bike. I don't know if this is touchscreen or not. App turns on cruise function at constant speed when the vehicle speed is more than 5 km. Long press the function button for 2 seconds to enter cruise mode. They got a cruise control and all. It hooks up to your phone. The brand name is OK. I seen a fat bike by these guys that looked pretty decent. It was $2,000, kind of expensive. You know, but that's an OK scooter. I'll get you guys a little more information if you guys are interested. Now maybe something like that YouTube will let me give away, something like that, but I don't know if you guys are interested in anything like that. Like I said, the bike has to be under $600, so. Okay, again, so here we go. Like I said, these are like the little bikes that's under $600. These are the bikes that I'm able to give away on YouTube, you know. But I don't know how you guys feel about these. They're nice little cruiser bikes for the neighborhood. I like to call them store runners. Call me, guys. It's a lot of noise out here, and it's a festivity going around the block, so just bear with me. But like I said, anything that we do is going to have to be under $600, and these are not bad. These are not bad for you. I don't know for you guys, but like I said, I can't do nothing too expensive, or perhaps I can do something like this. The smaller bikes I can do. I don't have no problem doing the smaller bikes. These, I can give away these I can give these away all day. But like I said, it's what you guys are into. And then like I said, we're a small YouTube channel, so we just now starting out. We got to start somewhere. It's not like we're going to start out giving out $2,000 and $3,000 bikes, and we only had 900, 1,000 subscribers, you know. I don't make any money off it, but I do appreciate the support. So like I said, guys, if you guys are interested, you know, if you're interested in these little bikes like this, or should I just hold off and wait till we really can do something? But I really want to give a bike away, guys, so help me out on this. If any ideas, you know, talk to me. Let me know. Okay, right about now, I'm just blamming off with the gums, because I'm trying to kill time and wait till these guys fix the bike. But I may leave the flow tomorrow and just come pick it up, because I'm a little beat and shot right now. 1 second. A guy bought a guy came to get this bike fixed earlier. I don't know what was wrong with it. Let me see. He's trying to start it, but I was playing with the guy. I told the guy, man, just get you a new bike, man. Leave that thing alone. Get you a new bike. You're gonna keep spending money, and The guy bought a new bike. What do you know? He bought a nice jog. You guys seen the new Transpro, the new Transpro jog? Yeah, he bought one of those. Let me see if I can see one of them around the corner. No, it's not available. These guys are selling bikes like crazy. That's a good thing. They've been blessed this year, man. Selling so many bikes, man. Bless Fly E-Bike, real good people, y'all. Real good people. Real good people. Let's try to get this 10 back on the road, y'all. I'm ready to leave it here. So stick around, it's your boy T2. I'm here with you guys. Another thing, shout out to my E-bros, Tay and Sputs. Sputs, I told you I got you all the time. I never forgot about you, Sputs. I really appreciate you. And Tay, you was asking me, I believe it was you, Tay, asked me about the Air. Well, this is the Air 2. I would love to give away an Air 2. They got the Air 2 and the Air 3. Of course, you guys know the Air 3 has the seat. Now, the thing with these little bikes here, they fit anywhere. They fit in the trunk of cars. They fit in the corner of the house. They're excellent. And a lot of people in New York City ride these bikes because they're capable of doing anything and everything that the big bikes do. They go just as fast, 20 miles per hour, 23 miles per hour, and they carry the same payload, 250 pounds, and some of them can even carry 400 pounds and still carry the speed. They have long range and so on and so on. But like I said, this is the Air 2. I'll bring the Air 3 out so you guys can see in a minute. Sorry. Just a lot going on here. Look at that little thing there. Like I said, they're nice little fun bikes to get around the city. Well, at least around the neighborhood. But like I said, this is the Air 2. I would love to give this away, but these are over $600. I still may push it anyway, but there's no sense in risking the channel, you know, just to do something silly, you know. But like I said, guys, this is the Air 2, and these things come with very big batteries. Very big batteries. They're nice. Tom gonna kick my butt. I'm pulling all his bikes out the store, giving you guys these little reviews, but I'm just showing you the smaller bikes that I really don't review, and a lot of smaller bikes that's being passed off, but these bikes sell pretty well, and people love them. But I know you guys are just so into the electric scooters and the bigger bikes. But there's nothing wrong with these small bikes. They're awesome. They're really awesome. They're nice. You know, so maybe one day, you know, I'll get it over to the park and give you guys full reviews, but I'm just giving you a little show of what it is. And I wish they hurry up and fix the Fly 10. I'll show you a couple of things that's busted on the Fly 10 too. Like, give me a second, hold on 1 second. So anyway, I'll get to that in a second. But yeah. So anyway, guys, like I said, I was showing you a couple of the bikes that's under $600. This is the H1 scooter. This is a 250 watt scooter. I think this would be really great to give away. This is a nice giveaway here because it's good for the younger guys. It's good for the younger guys, the older guys, school kids, you know, the guys going to work. This is excellent right here. So I just may be giving away a H1. It's right in the price range and so on and so on. So guys, let me know what you think about this one here. I'm really feeling this one. All right. Oh, now unless you guys like the little small, small, you know, whatever, small scooter bike, but I think fit, guys. So E-bros, let's figure out how we're gonna get this out. How we gonna get this thing away. H1 it is. We're gonna give away an H1, guys. So I'll be doing a whole video on that, but that's just what it's going to be. Unless you guys think otherwise. H1 it is. And I'm getting tired, guys. I'm leaving my scooter here. I'm telling Tom I'll come back and see him tomorrow. I'm going to try to roll this thing inside, and I'm getting home, and I'm jump on a Rover. I still got a video coming for the Rover, too. We still ain't sell it. Remember the Rad Rover I bought for $300? It's sitting right in the house, so I guess I'll take a ride on that tonight, and I guess I'll try to sell it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired, guys. I'll see you guys shortly.